ጤና ይስጥልኝ. Hello, I am Mesfin. Welcome to Amharic Reader. Lesson 2. In the first lesson, we have learned 6 letters. B, C, Sh, Z, K, and He. We have seen that every letter set is formed by 7 rows. And we have learned which vowel belongs to which row and which sign we add to the first row letter. And we decide to read the vowels in their origin, Latin. A, U, E, A, and O. In between we have E. Let us read the letter B set. B, Bu, B, Ba, Bie, B, Bo. In this second lesson, we will learn 2 more letters, Le and A, and we will read some words and sentences in Amharic. And then we will conclude the B group. In writing this sentence, we will use only the B group letters. That's why maybe our sentences seems meaningless, but don't forget our goal is to learn to read Amharic. Nevertheless, after we have learned all the letters, we will write some sentences for daily communication in dialogues. It will be very interesting. That is Ge'ez with its approximately 289 letters. Please, if you have not learned lesson 1, first to watch and work through that video. To learn to read Ge'ez script, we use 5 steps. In the few first lessons, we will use 2 steps, Qutur and Nibab. Qutur means by reading Ge'ez script to read each letter in the word separate. Nibab means by reading Ge'ez script to read the letters in the word together. Let us take the 2 examples, Kokop and Sibseba. If we read it in Qutur, Ko-ko-b, Ko-ko-b, Si-bi-se-ba, Si-bi-se-ba. And if we read it in Nibab step, Kokop, Sibseba. Kokop means star and Sibseba means meeting. Now let us read the 2 new letters. Le, pronounced in English like lemon, A like apple. Le, lu, li, la, lie, le, lo. Le, lu, li, la, lie, le, lo. Pronounced in English like le like lemon, lu like look, li like lips, la like lamp, lie like lady, le and lo like lock. The next one is A like apple. A, U, E, A, E, U, O. A, U, E, A, E, U, O. The pronunciation in English like A like apple, U like Uruguay, E like ink, A like arm, A like airport, E and O like orange. Now let us see how we put the signs. By the first row, we add not any sign. By the second row, we add a line on the middle of the right leg. By the third row, we add a line on the bottom of the right leg. By the fourth row, we have short left leg. By fifth row, we put a circle on the bottom of the right leg. The sixth and seventh row are those the most irregular rows. Let us read some words. Ale, 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 bella, bella, küb, küb, sülk, silk, abeba, abeba, ለስላሳ ለስላሳ ስብሰባ ስብሰባ. Now I will read it only in ንባብ. አለ አለ በላ ክብ ስልክ አበባ ለስላሳ ስብሰባ. We have to notice the difference between those two words. They are spelled the same, but they are pronounced differently. Ale and ale. Ale we will write with double L, ale with a single L. Ale means there is. Ale, he says or he said. Ale, ale. Ale, ale, በላ ክብ ስልክ አበባ ለስላሳ ስብሰባ. Now let us see the punctuation in Amharic. አራት ነጥብ. You don't need to read it just to know. አራት ነጥብ means 4 points and it's corresponded to English full stop. አራት ነጥብ full stop. ሁለት ነጥብ ኮማ ነጠላ ሰረዝ ድርብ ሰረዝ ሴሚኮሎን የጥያቄ ምልክት question mark. Now let us read some demonstrative pronouns and prepositions. እዚ እዚ እዛ እዛ በዛ በዛ በዚ በዚ በከ እዚ እዛ በዛ በዚ በከ. Here I don't put because we cannot write it in English. Izzy, izza. Izzy means here, izza means over there, beza means by that, bezi, this direction or on this, be, it is translated in English as, if, or by. From. Let us write a sentence. እዚ አበባ አበባ አለ አለ እዚ አበባ alle. It means here is a flower. Alle, because in Amharic, abeba is a masculine noun. Alle. There is masculine noun. For feminine noun, we put allech. We repeat this part when we have learned some more letters, like the word zih, bezih, allech. If we translate zi abeba alle word by word, it means here there is a flower. zi ኮኮብ ኮኮብ አለ አለ አራት ነጥብ full stop. እዚህ ኮኮብ አለ በዛ በዛ አበባ አበባ አለ አለ በዛ አበባ አለ. Let us read some more words. ስለ ስለ ብዙ ብዙ ሹካ ሹካ እሺ እሺ ሌባ ሌባ ልብ ልብ ሌላ ሌላ አለ 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 አሉ አሉ እሱ እሱ ላክ ላክ አካል አካል ልብስ ልብስ ለበሰ ለበሰ አሳብ አሳብ ለሱ ለሱ ከሱ ከሱ. Now only in reading form, ንባብ ስለ ብዙ ሹካ እሺ ሌባ ልብ ሌላ አለ አለ አሉ እሱ ላክ አካል ልብስ ለበሰ አሳብ ለሱ ከሱ. Some more sentences. እሱ እሱ እሺ እሺ አለ አለ እዚህ እዚህ ልብስ ልብስ አለ አለ እሱ እሱ ብዙ ብዙ በላ በላ ሌላ ሌላ ልብስ ልብስ ልበስ ልበስ እሱ እሺ አለ እዚህ ልብስ አለ እሱ ብዙ በላ ሌላ ልብስ ልበስ. Please repeat this page until you can memorize the letters. እዚህ እዚህ አበባ አበባ አለ አለ እዚህ እዚህ ልብስ ልብስ አለ አለ እሱ እሱ በሹካ በሹካ በላ በላ እሱ እሱ እሺ እሺ አለ እሱ እሺ አለ እዚህ አበባ አለ እዚህ ልብስ አለ እሱ በሹካ በላ እሱ እሺ አለ. Please read these letters to test yourself and to repeat the lesson 1. Be, hu, ki, za, she, se, bo. He, ku, zi, sha, sie, b, ho. Ke, zu, shi, sa, bie, he, ko. Ze, shu, si, ba, he, ku, zo. She, su, bi, ha, ke, z, so. Se, bu, hi, ka, zie, si, bo. Be, hu, ki, za, sie, b, ho. Until this point, we have learned 8 letters: be, se, she, ze, ke, he, le, a. Let us read our 2 new letters: le, lu, li, la, lie, le, lo. A, u, I, a, e, o. Now are the handwritten letters: be, se, she, ze, ke, he, le, a. Be is almost like B in English. Se like S. She, SH. Ze, Z. Ke, K. He, H. Le, L. A. At this point, we conclude the be group. Let us see why we call this group be group. Be, se, she, ze, ke, he, le, a. Be. If we put a vertical line over be, it will be se. If we put a horizontal line over se, it will be she. If we cancel the upper part of be and put a horizontal line, it will be ze. Be, se, she, ze. To make be, or to change be to ke, he, le, and a, we put those signs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to be updated to the lessons. If you have any question, comment, critique, I am at your disposal. Write me in the comment part below of this video.